Hello friends, welcome to another video. Now in this video, I will introduce a home automation PCB which is smallest home automation PCB I have ever used. By using ESP32 chip and the SMT components, I am able to reduce the size of PCB. Now using this PCB, we can make internet and manual control home automation system in which we are able to control our appliances via Blink app as well as through manual switches. And also we can monitor the real-time status of appliances in the Blink app. These two onboard LEDs are used for Wi-Fi status. That is, if ESP32 is connected with Wi-Fi, then both LEDs will glow. But if Wi-Fi is not available, only single LED will glow. Let me show you. Now I am turning off the hotspot. Here you can see only one LED is turned on. Let me turn on the hotspot again. Here you can see now both the LEDs are glowing. That means ESP32 is connected with Wi-Fi.
This video is sponsored by JLC PCB. JLC PCB is a well-known PCB prototype company in China. It is specialized in quick PCB prototype and small batch production. You can now order a minimum of 5 PCBs for just $2. For more details, check description.
This is the schematic of today's home automation PCB. If you want, you can download this schematic from description to design your own custom PCB. Now convert this schematic into PCB. After completing the design of your PCB, you can directly order the PCB from JLC PCB or just download the Gerber file from here. After that, go to JLC PCB website, then click on Quote Now button under the SMT assembly. After that, upload the Gerber file of your PCB. After that, select the number of PCBs and color masking of PCB if you want. After that, select the SMT assembly service. And here you have to select on which surface you want your components to be soldered, either top surface or bottom. After that, click on the confirm button. Now here you have to upload two more files. One is the CPL, that is pick and place file, and another one is BOM, that is bill of material. You can download these files from your EasyEDA account. Just open that PCB project onto your EasyEDA account and then click on fabrication. Then BOM. Now click on export. Now click on export BOM to download the BOM file. Similarly, download the CPL file. After downloading both the files, just upload both the files here onto this page. After that, select next. Now here it will show all the SMT components which are to be soldered, and also we can select which components will soldered or not. Select the component according to your preference. After that, click on next button. Then click save to cart to complete your order. After a week, my PCB arrived at my place in a new blue box of JLC PCB. Let me open the box. The packaging of PCB in bubble wrap is very good. Here it is our home automation PCB. The quality of PCB is good and the SMT components are soldered well. SMT assembly service of JLC PCB is great. After soldering rest of the components, PCB look like this, neat, clean and well arranged.
Open Blink app. Click on New Project. Give it any name. I am giving it Home Automation. Select board ESP32 Development Board and connection type is Wi-Fi. Click OK. Now an authentication token will be sent to your email ID which we will require at the time of coding. After that, click here and add button. Likewise, add 3 more buttons. After that, step on button for configuration. Give it a name like Relay 1. After that, select the pin as virtual. Select virtual pin V1. Change it 0 to 1 and 1 to 0 for reverse logic. Select mode as switch, that's it. Likewise, configure all the buttons.
To flash the code into ESP32 chip, I will use ESP32 development board. Now make the connections according to this schematic. This is the code for our today's home automation project. Download this code from the description and open it in Arduino IDE. Before you upload the code, you need to make few changes in it. First, in this section, you need to enter the SSID and password of your router or hotspot. After that, here you have to enter the authentication token sent by Blink on your registered email ID. Just copy and paste it here. And rest of thing is okay. After selecting right board and COM port, hit upload button. After clicking the upload button onto the PCB, I will press and hold the boot button and press the reset button once to make this module go inside the boot mode. As you can see, the code start uploading. Now connect all the bulb and switches according to this circuit diagram. Now everything is done. Let's see project in action.